8 Lessons from Battlefield of the Mind by Joyce Meyer. 1. Recognize that your thoughts have a significant impact on your life. Learning to control and direct your thoughts can lead to positive changes and greater well-being. 2. Be aware of and challenge negative or destructive thought patterns. Replacing these thoughts with positive, truth-based ones can transform your mindset. 3. Speak positive affirmations and truths to combat negative thinking. Affirmations can reinforce a positive mindset and align your thoughts with your goals. 4. Protect your mind from harmful influences, including negative media, toxic relationships, and self-doubt. Creating a positive mental environment supports overall health and resilience. 5. Engage in practices that renew and refresh your mind, such as meditation, prayer, and reflection. Regular mental renewal helps maintain a positive and focused mindset. 6. Use faith as a tool to overcome negative thoughts and challenges. Faith can provide strength, guidance, and perspective in dealing with mental and emotional struggles. 7. Explore and address the root causes of negative thoughts and mental patterns. Understanding the origins of these thoughts can help you resolve underlying issues and promote healing. 8. Be mindful of your thought patterns and their impact on your emotions and behavior. Mindful awareness helps you identify and manage negative thoughts more effectively.